The internet has revolutionized the way we do business. It has opened up a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. One of the most exciting opportunities is online advertising. This form of advertising allows you to reach a global audience with your message. It can be a powerful tool for growing your business. Online advertising is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is only getting bigger. More and more businesses are realizing the potential of online advertising to reach their target market. And with good reason. Online advertising offers a number of advantages over traditional forms of advertising, such as print, radio, and television. One of the biggest advantages of online advertising is its affordability. It is typically much cheaper than traditional advertising. This is especially true for small businesses. They often have limited advertising budgets. Another advantage of online advertising is its targetability. You can target your ads to specific demographics, interests, and even behaviors. This means that your ads are more likely to be seen by people who are actually interested in what you have to offer. This is in contrast to traditional advertising, which often relies on a scattershot approach. You end up reaching a lot of people who are not interested in your product or service. If you are looking for a powerful and effective way to reach your target market, online advertising is definitely worth considering. Before you dive into the world of online advertising, it's essential to understand the basics. This will help you create effective campaigns and maximize your return on investment. At its core, online advertising involves paying to display your message to potential customers on various online platforms. These platforms can include search engines, social media websites, and other websites that your target audience frequents. One of the key concepts in online advertising is the pay-per-click or PPC model. This is a popular pricing model. With PPC, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This means that you are only paying for actual traffic to your website. This differs from other pricing models such as cost per thousand impressions or CPM, where you pay based on the number of times your ad is shown, regardless of whether anyone clicks on it. Another important concept to understand is targeting. This refers to the ability to show your ads to specific groups of people based on factors like their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Effective targeting is crucial for ensuring that your ads are seen by the right people. This increases the chances of converting them into customers. Finally, it's essential to track and measure the performance of your online advertising campaigns. This allows you to see what's working and what's not. You can then make adjustments accordingly. By monitoring key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition, you can optimize your campaigns for better results over time. The world of online advertising offers a diverse range of ad formats. Each format comes with its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these formats is essential for selecting the right one for your specific advertising goals. Let's explore some of the most popular types of online ads. Search ads. These ads appear on search engine results pages or CRPs when users search for keywords related to your business. They are highly effective in driving targeted traffic to your website. For example, if you sell shoes online, you can bid on keywords like men's running shoes or women's leather boots to display your ads to users actively searching for those products. Display ads. These ads are visually appealing and can appear on a wide range of websites, including news sites, blogs, and social media platforms. They come in various formats, such as banner ads, sidebar ads, and pop-up ads. Display ads are effective in building brand awareness and reaching a broader audience. Social media ads. These ads are integrated into social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They allow you to target users based on their demographics, interests, and connections. Social media ads can be highly effective in driving traffic, generating leads, and promoting your products or services to a specific audience. Video ads. As the name suggests, these ads utilize video content to engage viewers. They can appear on video sharing platforms like YouTube, as well as on social media and other websites. Video ads are highly engaging and can be very effective in conveying your brand message, showcasing product features, and driving conversions. Mobile ads. These ads are specifically designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. They can appear within mobile apps, on mobile websites, and even in mobile games. Mobile advertising is crucial in today's mobile-first world, as more and more people access the internet primarily through their mobile devices. Section 4. Finding the perfect stage. Choosing the right advertising platform. With a plethora of online advertising platforms available, selecting the right one for your business is crucial. Each platform has its own unique audience, features, and pricing models. Let's explore some of the most popular online advertising platforms. Google Ads. As the world's largest search engine, Google offers a powerful advertising platform that allows you to reach a massive audience. Google Ads provides a wide range of ad formats, targeting options, and bidding strategies, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Microsoft Advertising, formerly known as Bing Ads, Microsoft Advertising allows you to display your ads on Bing, Yahoo, and other Microsoft-owned platforms. While it has a smaller reach than Google Ads, it often offers lower competition and cost per click, making it a viable option for some businesses. Facebook Ads. With billions of active users, Facebook offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach your target audience through its sophisticated advertising platform. Facebook's detailed targeting options allow you to laser focus your ads based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. Instagram Ads. As a visually driven platform, Instagram is an ideal platform for businesses with visually appealing products or services. Instagram Ads offer similar targeting options to Facebook Ads, allowing you to reach your desired audience with engaging visual content. Twitter Ads. Twitter's advertising platform allows you to promote your tweets, account, or trends to a wider audience. It's a great platform for businesses looking to engage in conversations, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to their website. LinkedIn Ads. As a professional networking platform, LinkedIn Ads are ideal for businesses targeting other businesses or B2B or professionals in specific industries. LinkedIn's targeting options allow you to reach decision makers, influencers, and potential partners based on their job titles, industries, and company size. Section 5. Targeting your audience, reaching the right people with your message. One of the most significant advantages of online advertising is its ability to target specific audiences. Effective targeting ensures that your ads are seen by the people most likely to be interested in your products or services. This not only improves your return on investment but also helps you build stronger relationships with potential customers. Demographic targeting. This involves targeting your audience based on factors like age, gender, location, education level, and income. For example, if you sell baby clothes, you can target your ads to parents and expectant mothers in specific geographic locations. Interest-based targeting. This allows you to reach people based on their interests, hobbies, and passions. For instance, if you sell sports equipment, you can target your ads to people who have expressed an interest in sports, fitness, or specific sports teams. Behavioral targeting. This involves targeting users based on their online behavior, such as websites they visit, products they view, and searches they perform. This allows you to reach people who have previously shown an interest in your industry or products similar to yours. Retargeting. This powerful technique allows you to re-engage users who have previously interacted with your website or ads. For example, if someone visited your product page but didn't make a purchase, you can retarget them with ads showcasing the same product or offering a discount to encourage them to complete their purchase. By utilizing these targeting options effectively, you can ensure that your ads are seen by the right people at the right time. This will increase your chances of driving clicks, conversions, and ultimately, business growth. Section 6. Crafting compelling ads, capturing attention, and driving action. In the crowded world of online advertising, it's crucial to create ads that stand out from the competition and capture the attention of your target audience. A compelling ad not only grabs attention but also conveys your message effectively and motivates users to take action. Here are some tips for crafting ads that deliver results. Start with a strong headline. Your headline is the first thing people see, so make it count. Use attention-grabbing words and phrases that clearly communicate the value proposition of your product or service. Highlight the benefits. Instead of simply listing features, focus on how your product or service solves a problem or improves the lives of your target audience. Clearly articulate the benefits they will experience by choosing you. Use a clear call to action. Tell people what you want them to do after seeing your ad. Use strong action verbs like shop now, learn more, or get a free quote to encourage immediate action. Keep it concise and to the point. People have short attention spans, so make sure your message is clear and easy to understand at a glance. Use short sentences, bullet points, and visuals to break up text and improve readability. Use high-quality images and videos. Visuals are incredibly powerful in capturing attention and conveying emotions. Use high-quality images and videos that are relevant to your message and target audience. Test different ad variations. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad copy, headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing can help you identify the most effective ad variations. By following these tips, you can create compelling ads that capture attention, communicate your message effectively, and drive the desired actions from your target audience.